Hey food lovers, welcome back to Dish So Sweet. Today I'm making pineapple juice. So guys, let's get to it, shall we? First I'll start by slicing up the pineapples, peel and chop into little pieces, and I'll transfer this into a bowl. Next, I'll pour the pineapples into a food processor, add some water to it, and pulse until it's well blended. Next, I'm going to sieve out the juice and transfer this into a large container. Into this, I'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger juice, about 2 tablespoons of simple syrup, and the juice from half a lemon. Give it a good stir and your pineapple juice is ready. You can chill until you're ready to consume, and it can last in your fridge for about 5 days, and it's super healthy. You can do it away with the simple syrup if you are being careful with your sugar. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.